Hello everyone, here we are in BigPanda, and what we're going to do is we're going to send an alert from Transposit into BigPanda. And the way we do that is we set up an alert API integration. So in the integrations tab, look for alerts and then start creating it, which means generating an API key and a name. And what you then have is an organization key. And this key is specifically for working with alerts. This we need to register inside of Transposit. So we're going to switch to Transposit and we will create a new key. We see that BigPanda is supported in here. We click continue and we paste, after entering a name for our key, what we just copied from BigPanda. In other words, when we authenticate here, what we need to do is type in the words bearer with a space and followed by the key. And that is what we copied over in BigPanda. Now what we're doing is creating a new automation in Transposit, which means adding a new workflow to a script. And we see in here that we can select send alert as one of our actions. We select that and we need an app key, which we get back from our integration inside BigPanda. We need to set a status and we need to provide some properties. So here is the app key in the alert API integration that we set up in BigPanda. We paste it in. We provide a status and the various values are provided right there. So we're going to put critical because that is what our alert is going to be seen as an incident inside BigPanda. There are properties we need to provide, and at the very least we need a JSON property called service with a value of anything we like. And on BigPanda you learn about all the other properties that are available. We now test and we have the key that we set earlier and we see that the action is completed. We go back into BigPanda and we see that the alert is now there. So what we've done is we've created a key in BigPanda, registered that in Transposit. Then we created a script which has an action, and the action is for sending an alert into BigPanda, which we have done. And we can see the success of that right here.